One thing that I have learned after becoming a mother is shortcuts. Hi friends, my name is Ankita, and if you happen to be new here, then welcome. I have been married since past 6 years and I have a son who is 3 years old. So practically I am in that school going phase, and on this channel you will find content that is relevant to homemaking, parenting, kids, and all of that good jazzy stuff about cleaning and interiors and stuff like that. So if you people are interested in that kind of stuff, do consider subscribing and sticking around for a while. And today I am going to share with you people 12 of my mommy hacks that I have developed with the passage of time. It's been 3 years since I am a mother. So these are the hacks that I have learned. These are the shortcuts that I've learned. And these hacks usually help me to get my day, rolling around really very easily. Hopefully they'll be able to help you people as well. So let's just straight away jump into the video and see what are the hacks that I have learned. And if you people do something differently, do let me know in the comment section below as well. So let's get started. So the hack number 1 is making bundles of clothes. Now I normally admire storing clothes in the Marie Kondo way, but creating bundles like those travel bundles, it just really very easily makes sure that things are easily accessible. Now my son is, as I mentioned earlier, 3 years old. He is going to the playgroup. He has a school uniform which has a tracksuit. It's winter, so it has a t-shirt. He has to wear socks, he has to wear caps, he has to wear belt, he has to wear tie. So these are like multiple things, and if you store them differently, you'll have to try and find them differently as well. So what I normally tend to do is I simply go ahead and make a bundle of all of these things, like opening up the upper of the tracksuit and keeping each and every single thing inside the tracksuit and then creating a bundle of it. It just simply just reduces the hassle in the morning. You simply have to grab that one bundle and just go ahead and you're sorted. You just need to get your toddler ready, because if he is not willing to get ready, it is the most difficult task to make him get ready. Tip number 2 is you need to plan a night ahead. Now once you become a wife, it turns out to be easy if you plan a night ahead. But once you become a mother, it turns out to be a necessity that you have to go ahead and simply plan a night ahead. And things that I do plan a night ahead are: what is he gonna have for lunch? What is he gonna have for breakfast? The tiffin is an entirely different thing that he needs to take along with him. I usually prepare his backpack in the night time as well. Whatever needs soaking is supposed to be soaked. Whatever needs washing is supposed to be washed. Each and every single thing is supposed to be prepared so as to make sure that the morning is smooth sailing, because mornings can be crazy when it comes up to dealing with a person who's going to the office and with a person who's going to the school. So you need to plan a night ahead to make sure that the things are smoothly sailing. Now my third tip relates to the second one, and which is meal planning. Now I normally give myself one day in a week on which I would simply go ahead and do meal planning. Usually that day is Saturday or Sunday, because it's my son's off, so he's usually in the house and he's working or playing around, and I would normally simply go ahead and meal plan, decide earlier what is going to be in breakfast, lunch and dinner a week before, so as to make sure that I can go ahead and do the vegetable shopping. I don't do the grocery shopping on a weekly basis, it's usually on a monthly basis, but at least I could go ahead and buy vegetables that are relevant to the meal plan that I have prepared, and I could cut off, I could prepare gravies, I could just simply go ahead and ease things out with the help of meal planning. I already have a video on meal planning. I'll link it in the description box for you people, which brings me to my tip number 4, which is breaking bigger tasks into smaller targets. Now for example, you can simply go ahead and break up your laundry. For me, what I normally tend to do is a night ahead, I would simply go ahead and put a load of laundry with an alarm on for 6 a.m. in the morning. So once I am free post my exercise and yoga and all good that good jazzy stuff, my clothes would be washed and ready by my machine. I would simply go ahead and lay them out for drying. So the bigger task of laundry has been divided into 3 parts. First part has been accomplished at the night, second in the morning. Now the third, that is folding and placing back the laundry, could be done in the evening. So that is how you can simply go ahead and break your bigger task into smaller ones so that you don't exhaust yourself. Now the fifth hack is decluttering. I personally think none of my videos that are relevant to organizing in any manner are complete without the word decluttering. But I am a firm defender of this thing. Now talking about the kids, they grow out of things really very quickly. Be it clothes, be it toys. They simply grow out of them. There are styles of toys that don't complement the age group that they are in. So you need to get rid of those toys, even if you want to store them for the other upcoming kids or you want to donate them. You can simply go ahead and do it, achieve the target when it comes up to it, because once you will have a pile of toys, it's really very difficult for the child to judge what he wants to play with, and you will not be able to play with the child easily as well. And talking about the clothes, like clothes, kids, they just grow at a devilish rate. They grow really very quickly, and like I personally think at every 3 to 4 months I have to simply go ahead and replace something with the other which is of a larger size. So normally I would go ahead and simply, because he's my first son and we are planning on having another kid, so we will use his clothes for the other kid as well. So normally I would just store his stuff, and whatever I need to give it away, I would give it away, but I would normally continuously keep myself in the process of decluttering each and every single thing that belongs to him as well. Now my sixth hack is never to leave a room empty handed, and this is something which is a habit, and you need to develop that habit, that whenever you are leaving a room, you need to have something in your hand that you want to place at its proper place. And trust me, if you have a toddler running around the house, you'll always find something in every particular room that needs to get back to its original place. So I would rather recommend you to simply, whenever you're leaving a room, just look around and find whatever is out of place, just pick it up and put it at its right place. But even if you're getting up for peeing, trust me, if you have a coffee mug lying around, simply go ahead and place that in the sink while you are stepping out of the room for the washroom area. Now my eighth tip is to have a routine and stick to it. Now creating a new routine is something far more daunting than it actually sounds, because you need to grow something in your habit. So what I normally do is, if I am trying to bring something in my routine, like in my daily cleaning routine, I would try to give it a number. I have done a video earlier in this week in which I have told you how important it is for having numbers or steps to whatever you need to do. Like I normally have a 6-step morning cleaning routine or a 6-step evening cleaning routine. What that normally does is it keeps me reminding that you have only done 5 different tasks and one task is still remaining. So that will actually make sure that if you are one of someone who have this habit of creating a list and then ticking it off, trust me on this thing, this steps creating thing, it will simply be really very helpful for you people in establishing a routine. And once you have established a routine, simply stick to it, improve your routine, always try to improve your routine rather than stepping back. It's always good to step forward rather than stepping back. So my hack number 9 is to just simply go ahead and take care of your health as well. When we talk about being a mother, we are usually in 30s or earlier 30s or later 30s maybe. So it is really very important for you to maintain your own physical health so as to make sure that you can work for the entire family as well. Because if you're not paying attention upon your health, you will be stressed out, you will be in pain, and however patient you are in your actual nature, if you are in pain, it's really very difficult for you as well as for others to expect the kind of productivity that you normally would have given them. So just go ahead and take care of your health so that you can take care of the health of the family. Do incorporate a little bit of exercise, little bit of healthy breathing, some vitamins, milk if you can handle it. Simply go ahead and incorporate these things to make sure that you have your health in place, because it is the most important thing. Now my 10th hack is to always enjoy the task at hand whenever I get time, because trust me, when it comes up to having kids, you usually don't have a lot of time. So whatever time you have, you are usually working on something or the other. So just try to enjoy the task. Like, I personally don't admire doing dusting. Like, I was never, I have never claimed to be the finest, most cleanest person on planet Earth ever. I have never claimed that to be. I just try to make sure that the things are productive. I don't like doing dusting. So what I normally do is I would simply go ahead and play on some music. Try to enjoy the task. Whatever task you are doing, whatever thing you're trying to accomplish, simply go ahead and try to enjoy it. Try to associate it with something that makes you happy, uplifts your mood. Like in my case, it's music. So I would normally just go ahead and apply some peppy song in the background and simply go ahead and do the dusting stuff. Even if I don't like it, I would groove a little bit and simply perform the task. The next thing is shopping. I'm not talking about the kids' clothes shopping or the outings that we normally do, but yes, of course, I'm talking about the grocery shopping. Now, whether you're doing it online or offline, every mother would agree it is far, far, far quick if you do it alone rather than do it with your kids. So try to make sure that whenever you are going for grocery shopping or sitting for grocery shopping, if you do it online, simply make sure that the kid is not there. You will finish your work within no time. I normally just go to Big Bazaar, do the entire shopping when Vivan is in school, and come back within 45 minutes, literally in 45 minutes. And when Vivan is with me, it takes me 2 hours or 2.5 hours, maybe, depending upon his mood. Because sometimes he'd be like, I need to have a pizza. Sometimes he'd be like, I just don't want to go anywhere. He'll be in the playpen and he won't want to come out of the playpen. So these are the factors that impact or influence your shopping experience. So simply go ahead and do your shopping without your kid, hassle free. Trust me, this is gonna help you a lot. And my last tip is to reduce stress. And I know it is easier said than done, but it is the culprit of a lot of things, like a lot of issues that we face physically. It's simply, the culprit is stress. Now talk about me. The night I am recording this video, tomorrow my maid is not gonna come. Am I stressed about it? No, it's fine. What I have done is I've simply decided that I'll film the process of cleaning and it will finish off a video of mine. That's what I'm talking about. Try to distract yourself rather than stressing yourself out that, oh my God, I have to do this work. Oh my God, I have to do that work. No, work can be enjoyable. Don't take stress about the examinations of your kid as well. You will be stressed, your kid will be stressed. So just make sure that you are not stressed out. Stress is your biggest enemy. So if you will make friends with patience, stress will take the secondary seat. So simply go ahead, don't stress yourself out. Parenting and motherhood is stressful. I know there are mood swings. I know there are tantrums of the kids that are supposed to be handled. I know that under the nuclear family culture, it happens that you have to do each and every single thing, even if you are not feeling well. And it's perfectly fine. I completely get it. I am right there with you people. But still, stressing out about anything will not lead you to go anywhere. And these were my 12 different mommy hacks that I have learned in past 3 years. I'm not trying to make it like unrealistic or anything. These are just generic hacks. But if you will apply them, I can assure you they will show results. So if you people have any other hacks other than these, do let me know in the comment section below. I love reading your comments. So just go ahead and be interactive in the comment section with me. I try to reciprocate to each and every single comment that I receive. So thank you so very much for watching, stopping by, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye.